Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jenny here, keeping it cute. So basically this video was a tutorial on how I do my hair like this. I call it Nisha's being so extra. I call it dumplings. I'm not really sure. I think other people call it lock nuts, but I call it dumplings. Shout out to Cheval, because Cheval is actually the first person I saw with this hairstyle. But yeah, it's rough. It takes me about 3 hours to do it, because I have to palm roll my hair and also do the style. So I wash my hair. I would suggest doing this style while your hair is damp, because when you take this out you get some really nice tight curls, and when your hair is damp and you style it and it dries while it's damp, the hairstyle comes out so much better, right? So I'm just going to show you guys the products that I use to get this style, and then we'll go into the tutorial in the video. Okay, I need a comb because I comb out the roots of my hair. My hair is not interlocked, and if you watch any of my previous videos, you guys know I do not interlock my hair. I find like that weakens the hair. So I use a rat tail comb to comb out the roots of my hair. This toothbrush to lay my edges. My edges are not currently laid because if you guys also watch the video, I was rushing to go somewhere when I finished combed my hair. So this is why we have like 3 different backgrounds in one video. But yes, so I use this to lay my edges. I wash my hair with Head and Shoulders 2-in-1, so shampoo and conditioner, and the cooling scalp relief, so this mint one. Sorry about the ring light there, but yeah, this is the one that I use. I don't know, like something about this just makes my hair feel really clean. I don't know if it's the tingliness or whatever it is, but it really makes my hair feel really clean when it's done. And I know a lot of people say that you're not supposed to put conditioner in locks because it kind of leaves this kind of smoothie texture, but it's also a chemical as well that stays in your locks. And well, because we have locks, it can't really rinse out, so they say try not to use conditioner in your hair. So this is what works best for me, this 2-in-1 Head and Shoulders. So this is what I use in my hair. I use Indian hemp grease. I know they also say not to use grease in locks, but I think that is absolute rubbish because my hair is going to dry out at a point in time, and I do not want my scalp to be dry, so why would I not put grease in my hair? Like, that just makes no sense to me. So I do use Indian hemp grease to lock and twist my hair. This is the best product if you have locks. Even if you don't have locks, this is the best product. Okay, this is the ORS Olive Oil's Flyaway Taping Edge Gel, right, with this pink cover here, and it's like $27 for it in Pennywise. I haven't seen it in Pennywise, so I had to actually buy it in Superfarm, and it's like $10 more in Superfarm. So if you see it, whenever I see it in Pennywise, I tend to pick up 2 or 3 containers of it, because hairstylists be using this, everybody be using it. So pick it up when you see it and pick up 2 if you can, right? And then last but not least, yeah, I just have this in an Eco Styler container, but these small black rubber bands, I use this to secure the end of my locks when I'm finished. I actually need to buy a pack again of this, but yeah, and that's everything that I use to comb my hair. I hope that the video was explanatory, and I will see you guys in the next one. The next hair video I will do is to show you guys the what my hair looks like when it actually comes out of this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. I am about to go wash my hair and start to twist my hair from the back to the front, and then I will come back and basically show you guys how to do the lock knots and what products that I use. I look crusty after wash my hair and all of that. So hopefully when I get back, you know, I don't want crusty like this. I'll probably try to do like 3 on camera for you guys to get the hang of it. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Hey, I just got out of the shower. This is what my hair looks like after it's been washed. Okay. Yeah. There's water running on my face, I'm sorry. I'll try to lower this a little bit for you to kind of see how long my hair is. My hair is actually by my bottom now. You guys can see. This is where my hair stops. I actually some of the pieces in the front because I dyed it. They started disconnecting, so they shorter on the other one. It takes me about 3 hours to do this hairstyle. I have a class this afternoon, so I have to try to speed up myself. So as soon as I get to the front portion of my hair, I will come back to you guys and show you guys how to do 3 hours. Yeah, it's been washed. See, no crusties anymore. This is just water, right? No more crusties. Yeah. Okay, hi. So I apologize for this video being like I don't know how to explain it, but I am running late for my own class. I can't be late. I'm just gonna try to show you guys how I do 2 of these. I'm just putting some product on my hair. Gonna palm roll it. Oops, sorry. Gonna palm roll it. See? Warm my hair. Oops. Of course, the shorter your hair is, the shorter your dumplings will be. So I'm just wrapping it around the fold, so you know, wrap it. Then I'm going to take the rubber band. And yeah, that's it. When I finish with these styles is when I decide what I'm doing style wise. So yeah, just part my hair. Perfect. Because I'm running late, guys, I will come back in tomorrow because I don't like to film in the night because you can hear the crickets and stuff. So palm well. I'm fed up of this. I'll take it out and show you guys the bomb A curls. That's supposed to be the bum AF curls that I get. Ooh. So yeah, so I'm just gonna continue to do these, and then I don't know if I'll come back and show you guys when I'm done because I'm really late, but yeah, I hope you guys understand how this style is accomplished. I apologize that I'm in a rush, but yeah.